This is the next video related with project work, that is part 2. In this part, in page number 10 to 11, maybe it will take 2 pages. You write table with information of all the following income and expenses for a month. You prepare the 3 columns: serial number, category. This is monthly amount. Monthly amount. These 3 columns will prepare serial number, category, monthly amount. So these are serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Serial number 1, total income. Serial number 2, tax, if income is taxable. Number 3, actual income. Actual income will come total income minus tax. Number 4, house maintenance. Number 5, if house maintenance is the category if you have your own house, and rent if you are living in rented house. Number 6, your expenditure on grocery, fruits and vegetables. Number 7, milk. Number 8, water and electricity. Number 9, vehicles, petrol, cost of petrol including maintenance. Number 10, clothes. Number 11, education. Education of the students, those are in lower classes or in higher classes, or they are preparing for the competitive examinations. So in this table I have mentioned these 11 categories. We have few more categories. I don't have space, so I shall erase it. Then again I shall write from 12. (12), 13, 14, 15 and 16. Number 12 is mobiles and internet. Mobiles and internet. Number 13, medicines. Number 14, home helpers. Home helpers. Who are home helpers? Suppose you have maid or servant, expenditure for them. Home helpers, expenditure on them. Then entertainment. Your expenditure on television or some music system or other things, those equipments you use for entertainment, expenditure upon that you write this side. And at last, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. This is the miscellaneous expenditure, such as expenditure on medicine, doctor, expenditure on traveling. This type of expenditure will be concluded as miscellaneous expenditure, and expenditure on that you write in rupees in this column. So we have 16 items, 16 categories. In the next page, after 11th, in the next page, you will prepare bar graph. If you prepare bar graph on plain sheet or graph sheet, both are applicable. Here, this is the x-axis. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. On this, you will write the category of expenditure. Suppose this is 1 centimeter gap you will leave. After 1 centimeter, you will draw the bar line, and again this distance is 1 centimeter. After that, again you have drawn one bar line. You give distance of 1 centimeter, gap will be 1 centimeter. Again this rectangle will be of 1 centimeter, gap 1 centimeter, and here this is in we say 2000 we can take. One centimeter equal to 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,000, here 14,000, and so on. So this depends on your convenience, that you will show through scale. Here in this corner scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 category. One item. That item may be expenditure on milk. So here we will write milk. Now expenditure on milk is suppose 4,000. So you will draw the rectangle. Second is education. This side you will write education. On education, your family is spending 12,000. So you will make this type of rectangle that will show expenditure 12,000. In this way, you will write different names of items of expenditure, and this side you will show the amount of expenditure. Then you will color these rectangles in different colors to make it attractive. If you use graph paper, you must paste that graph paper on the page of your project file. And if you use plain sheet, then no need to paste, that is already plain sheet. But you will show scale. This is compulsory to show scale on y-axis. As I have used 1 centimeter equal to rupees 2000. You can change your scale as your convenience. You can use 2 centimeter. You can change the numbers also. So I gave this example to draw the bar graph. If you use this graph sheet, you must paste that, or if you use plain sheet, neatly you draw the bar graph and attach that is the page of graph sheet, that is the page of project file. So you will attach that with according to the serial number. After bar graph, you will draw the pie chart of actual income and saving. You know this is the angular representation. So through angular representation you will show income and saving through a pie chart. This large portion will occupy expenditure and the small portion will occupy saving, or as you are getting from your conclusion, following that you will show the pie chart of annual income and saving. Then you will write the conclusion in the next page. In the next page you will write the conclusion, total income of the family. In conclusion you will write total income of the family. Second, you will write tax to be paid. Tax to be paid. Then you will write actual income after paying tax. Actual income after paying tax. And then expenditure and saving. Expenditure and saving. Expenditure and saving. So if you get space in the page in which you have drawn the pie chart of annual income, actual income and saving, if you will get space, you write the conclusion in that same page, or otherwise you use the another page. And after writing this much, you write bibliography. What is this bibliography? At the last page you write bibliography. Bibliography. These are bibliography. In this page you will write the sources of information. Suppose about tax. From where have you got the information? About expenditure. On expenditure on vehicles. From where have you got the information? Those are the, if you have got the information from internet, suppose price of petrol, you have got information from internet, you write that. If you write the website, address of website, that is better. Or if you get the information, suppose about tax, you get the information from any bank, you mention the source, the name of the bank from where you have got the information about tax. So in this bibliography, how many sources you have used to write the project? According to the items, you write the name of sources. This is the last page, and in this way your project work is completed. the last date to submit, that is the 7th September 2020. Last date to submit the project work is 7th September 2020. Thank you all of you.